and welcome to Hadoop Exam Learning Resources. In this session, we'll be covering the fourth problem scenario from HDPCD certification. Okay, so this exercise is again related to the scope. So you would be given the following details like the table name and the kind of thing. What they are saying in while importing the data, you have to import only subset of the data and it has to go to in a Hive managed table directly, and the only select the category ID between 1 and 22. So that is data importing from the RDBMS table. Like if I show here the putty, we have already logged into database show tables. So here select star from categories. Correct, they are asking us for the categories table. You just select it and then copy paste. So you can see there are 58 categories already there. So they are asking just select 1 to 22, a subset of the data in a Hive managed table. Okay, so we'll be doing solving this step by step using this. Just see if already HE categories directory created, then it would be a problem for us to run this command. So it should not have existing. If that is not there, then that is fine. If it is already there, and it should be deleted. So it is not there, that's fine. And we should see like this directory does not exist again, hdfs dfs-l, and now we will be using import command. So this is the import command, this is jdbc string. Okay, same from previous exercise. This is username, this is the password, and this is the name of the table from where you are going to read the data, and this is the where clause you are going to provide here in the double quote you will be providing, and this is the column name you have to provide in this, and this is apostrophe. This is like a, near the escape character you will find this character. Okay, so this is apostrophe, you have to use this, and between 1 to 12. So this way you provide your where clause in the scope command. That remember how to provide this. And this is Hive import. This command will tell you like create a table from after importing this data from RDBMS to the Hive actually. So if you are using the Hive import, it will create a managed table in the Hive database. Okay, so it will create in the default database because we are not providing any database for the Hive right now. Okay, and then this is number of mappers. So you can read more about the scope tutorials from our Hadoop professional training. So okay, so let me run this command here. Now it will take some time to get finished. So here you can see this is the select star from this table, and this will be using this clause, and here it is mandatory you have primary ID for this category ID column. So we have already this primary key defined, so we don't get any issue here. So now here you can see like map is 0%, radius is 0%, it is being done. And once this is done, then we should have data under this directory, because Hive warehouse directory location is this location, applications, Hive, and warehouse. Okay, this is the path where it should have this directory should be created after the import. Okay, so it will give you this sandbox, give you Kafka related error. Okay, so you can ignore this error. Actually, as of now there is some Kafka setting is missing, and we don't need Kafka related anything for this certification. So this is the some sandbox issue, so you might get issue with this Kafka, so you can just ignore this Kafka warning. And once this is done, then we should see our result. Okay, so let it get finished. Okay, so now as I mentioned, there will be some Kafka related error, so we can ignore this right now, that is no worry. Okay, so now let's go here and see this is the uh, file directory, and content in this directory. We should have content for the categories table as well created under this directory. So you can see this is the categories table have been created, correct? So now just log into Hive, just open new terminal, right click, new session or duplicate session, just root, and then quick take key, the password, and then log into Hive. Just type the Hive command and show tables. Show tables, and This is the, we can see which table should have been created for this categories table already created in the default database. So we just see we should have data from 1 to 22 category, correct? So this data have been imported. So what we have done, actually we have created data from RDBMS, extracted and put this data into the Hive table directly. Okay, it's underline HDFS, but the data is available as a Hive table now, and you can directly work on this table. Okay, so they while they, so they can ask you in the exam, create data such that it would become a Hive table directly, rather than you creating the later on Hive table. So while importing data from RDBMS to HDFS, you just create a Hive table. So that's all about this exercise. Thanks, and I hope you like this sessions. If you are watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe it, and if you like this, just give thumbs up, and we hope we are able to help you on your certification. Thanks for watching.